Welcome to Safety Products. Here we're demonstrating the testing of the Safety Products direct opening safety micro switch, which is used in products such as safety pull, safety drift, safety rip and safety tilt, among others. In this test, 240 volts DC at 0.6 amps is applied through the switch to drive a 220 volt DC relay. This test confirms the integrity of the switch's contacts and the correct operation of the direct opening mechanism. As shown, contact arcing under load is clearly visible, followed by the direct opening breaker bar mechanically forcing the contacts open, ensuring positive separation. The test also demonstrates the operation of the relay within the circuit, confirming that the 220 volt DC circuit continues to operate correctly, even under high voltage load conditions. This verifies the switch's ability to safely interrupt the circuit under specified DC load conditions. Thank you for watching.